I'm actually impressed. You've suddenly decided to address me as Justice Chigumba in this forum, but whenever you write about me in the media, you call me Priscilla Chigumba. When did I suddenly become a justice? You don't acknowledge the fact that I'm a judge in your writings. I'm actually curious to know why. That's a question that I'll put to you after answering your question. I'm Justice Chigumba today, but in the media, I'm just Priscilla Chigumba. When did I stop becoming a judge? When I'm a constitutional appointee? That's a question for you as a journalist. Why do you alter the truth and misinform the public that I'm merely Priscilla Chigumba when I'm a judge? It's interesting for me. Next question.
Can I respond to it?
Next question. I can come back to you when you're ready to answer the question why I'm just Priscilla Chigumba in your publications and Justice Today. You can't answer it now. You can answer it later.
I can just give you
No. Next question. Mr. Manyao. Mr. Manyao, can I have the next question?
Next question.
I was joking with you. Even if you don't call me Justice, I'm a constitutional appointee.
Yeah, but all our
Next,
students
Mr. Manyao. Mr. Manyao.
Question. Next question.
Now that you are calling on us to play with you, let me just dive in there.
Within reason, man. Remember, I have the power to sentence people to death. So within reason. Within reason.
My name is Margaret Nagin Zamara, and I am with the Community Newspapers Association of Zimbabwe. What I want to say is not a question, but I'd like to address the issue that you raised with Blessed about you being called Priscilla in some instances and perhaps something else in another instance. And I don't claim to speak for Blessed, but I just want to speak generally. In newspaper life, we have what we call house styles. I'm not sure whether everybody is familiar with this, but we have house styles. Now, what some house styles say is that you have to call justices or whoever else has a title with their title. But there are media houses that strip away whatever title it is and call a person by their first name and last name. So then it falls on the particular media house to say which house style do they have. So in some instances, it's not actually meant to insult or to be derogatory or whatever the case might be. It might simply just be a house style that is not made specifically for any one individual. Thank you.
Can I just say, Maggie, thank you very much. You're the first person who's endeavored to explain that to me in a language that I understand. I remember when I became a judge, my youngest daughter, she came to me and she said, "Are we supposed to call you Judge Mom now?" And I was like, "No, I'm your mother, and your mother is just your mother." Okay, so if it's in a professional context and one has an official title, whatever the house style is, I'm hearing about house styles for the first time. And in future, thank you very much, I will try not to take offense, but try and think of it in this context. If you're the Queen of England, yes?
Yeah.
And you engage in your professional context as the Queen of England, you expect to be addressed as the Queen of England. I'm not saying I'm the Queen of anything, but I'm giving it as an example. Now, if somebody says, "Oh, we had tea with Elizabeth yesterday," quite clearly, it's not only inappropriate, it's unacceptable. It's just me saying this because I'm not interfering with house styles. Those with house styles who encourage them not to acknowledge constitutional titles, by all means. This is a democratic society. You can call me Priscilla. Actually, you can use my middle name. Don't say Priscilla Makanyara Maide. You can use that.